all the information I've received, he buys the cheapest parts. CarQuest. He bought cheapest parts for somebody's 2000 something. Okay? So, when your automobile gets fixed at Nathan's One Stop, he's buying cheap parts. Okay? And there's a real good chance it's going to come back to him because of the parts or the labor. Okay? CarQuest. That must be like Walmart. You know, they get the stuff that nobody else wants. That's my opinion. And this one person's is replace or return. And you have to have this receipt for your returns. So if you're a customer at Nathan's One Stop Auto, there's a real good chance your crap's going to hit the fan, either because of the cheap parts or because he has people off the street working on your vehicles. He gets the money, they get the blame. If you do all these videos in order, you will understand this. That's just from what I've seen. Okay? Service is our best part. That should scare you. Because while I was there, they had to come back and get parts that they had sent to Nathan's that were the wrong parts for other vehicles. Yeah, I learned a lot laying on the floor for 3 days and 2 nights. A lot.